case. Take two. Hey everyone, today I am doing a retainer video for you guys. I got my braces off in October. I now have a permanent retainer on the bottom and these clear plastic retainers for top and bottom. I'm going to go ahead and answer a few questions that I feel like most people have. I know that I had when I didn't know what the retainers were like. So here we go. I'm just going to put them in really quick. Okay, like that. You can't really even tell that I have retainers, except for they do look a little more shiny and I have a slight lisp. The longer that you have them, the more you get used to them, but I feel like I always have a lisp because I'm only supposed to wear them during the night. Hang on, I'm gonna take these out. Okay, now another question I had was how hard are they to put in and take out? And as you guys can see, putting them in of the breeze, taking them out, you just kind of have to wiggle them a little bit. And the bottom ones on mine, they usually always catch kind of around this area, so I just have to wiggle a little more. And the top ones, they just pop right out, super easy. They are tight, but that's how they are supposed to be. It's not to the point where like it hurts like braces tight, unless you skip wearing your retainers, but I guess even then it's not even as bad as braces. They're just tight. You know that your teeth were trying to shift and the retainers are like, hey, get back in your spot. Okay, get back in line. I always wondered about the top of the retainers, if that was scratchy or if that dug into your gums. I can't speak for everyone's, but for mine, they do not. Like I said, I do have a bottom retainer, permanent one. It's a permanent wire from this canine to this canine, and they just glued the two canine teeth, and I made sure that the wire fit really well to the rest of the teeth. But since it's not glued on each individual tooth, I'm able to take a floss and just go in between this tooth, slide, go in between each tooth, instead of having to individually take it out and refloss, take it out, refloss, like most permanent retainers are. I always get questions on how long I had my braces, and I had them for 2 years and 5 months, and my quoted treatment was 18 to 24 months, so I did go over a little bit, but that's not bad because I'm super happy with my smile. This is the retainer case that they gave me. I didn't get to choose my color, but I'm fine with purple because purple is one of my favorite colors. Storing them is like this. Oh, another thing is like taking care of your retainers. So they get kind of dirty. Actually, they get really dirty really fast. Even with clean teeth, they just get really dirty. And they don't smell the greatest. I clean them once or twice a week, usually twice a week. And how I was instructed to do that was to take a clean, soft bristle toothbrush and just clean them, brush them like I would my teeth. And make sure that the toothbrush doesn't have toothpaste on it. That was super important. They do get dirty fast, but they're, you know, they're easy to clean. And they said if they get really dirty to use the denture fizzy stuff, you know, like the denture tablets, and soak them in that, and then you can just brush them off with a clean toothbrush. And yeah, I haven't had to do that yet. I'm sure that I will, but that's how you clean them. I think that's it. probably gonna be a pretty short video. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave them in the comments like always, and I will either respond to them in the comment section, or I can make another video if there's a bunch of questions that I didn't answer in this video, which there probably is. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!